Part 25P, Distance and Time on the Flat Earth. The time in hours and minutes does not matter in the context of the sun focal point spiraling inwards or outwards. How many revolutions are made or a day is what is important for the timetable of events. Counting the days is what is important, not the hours in the day. So how many times the sun focal point traverses or passes over, wink, the sky above you. North Pole to Arctic Circle, 1,650 miles. Arctic Circle to Tropic of Cancer, 2,967 miles. Tropic of Cancer to Equator, 1,622 miles. Tropic to Tropic, 3,244 miles. Tropic of Cancer to North Pole, 4,617 miles. If the sun focal point continues to move north at summer solstice, how much time in days before the sun focal point reaches the North Pole? Let's start by what we know. How fast does the sun focal point travel along the plane? The sun focal point will be spiraling into the center of the plane, or to the North Pole. From solstice to solstice, it takes the sun focal point 6 months to travel from the Tropic of Cancer to Capricorn, or vice versa. The distance from tropic to tropic is 3,244 miles. So the sun focal point travels 3,244 miles in a 6-month period. 365.25 days in a year. Divide by 2 equals 182.625 days from tropic to tropic. $3,244 divided by 182.625 days equals 17.7632 miles per day. At summer solstice, the sun focal point is at the Tropic of Cancer and then begins its northward inward spiral to the North Pole. The distance from the Tropic of Cancer to the North Pole is 4,617 miles. 4,617 miles divided by 17.7632 miles a day equals 259.9194 days, or rounded up 260 days. Summer solstice is June 20th in 2020. June 20th, 2020, next summer solstice. 260 days from that date is March 7th, 2021. That's when the sun will reach the center point at the North Pole. So you can see you will have plenty of time once you see the early sign of the sun going outside of its normal parameters to get to your location well ahead of the brain-dead zombie masses. Now some good news. It is not going to happen this Christmas. The sun focal point is moving south, which is within its normal parameters and movement. Next video, part 25P. Just in case I am wrong on the flat earth.